Nasa industry ako where I get to meet people na may 8 to 9 digits net worth. So kung i-share today sa inyo yung mga topics na pinag-uusapan kapag mayaman yung mga kausap ko. These topics are good alternatives sa chismis kapag na-meet ulit natin yung mga friends natin. Number 1 topic is personal life update. Example, yung recent trip nila or yung goals niya para sa mga anak niya na sana daw wag na mag-empleyado, mag-propose na lang sa kanya ng negosyo and then siya na daw yung magpa-fund. Number 2 topic is hobbies. This is very important to them kasi it keeps them sane and nare-relax sila every time nag-hobby sila. And napapansin ko yung iba sa kanila very competitive at nagjo-join pa ng mga competition and nananalo pa talaga. So not everyone but majority of them talks about and concerned about their health. Sinishare nila yung kanilang mga supplements, pati yung mga annual checkup nila sa Chinese Gen, pati yung mga chiropractor sessions nila. Next thing that they talk about naman is their businesses and their liquid investments. Dito ako na-amaze sa kanila natututo talaga ako sa kanila, especially kapag nagkukwento sila about challenges ng business nila and how they were able to solve them. Usually, pinag-uusapan din namin yung new ideas. So, pinag-uusapan namin yung mga new business opportunities kahit successful na yung business nila. Minsan nga tinatanong ko, bakit pa? Sabi nila, they have time, they have money, and they have the passion, and they know the operations already. So, kaya gusto daw nila ulit mag-business. We also talk about the importance of marketing or social media sa business. Sabi niya, gusto daw niyang matuto din and mag-start to inspire other people and to document her journey. One thing I've learned from them, kapag kausap ko sila, time is really an asset. So, we really have to use it wisely. Kayo ba guys, may rich friends din ba kayo? Can you comment down below kung ano yung mga usual topics and mga usual questions nyo sa kanila?